Dave here, Relative Martian. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm excited to show you something that I got for sale. This is something we all need. This is a toy hauler. In fact, this is a 2015 Cherokee. It's a Forest River Gray Wolf. Now I'm not too sure what this stuff all means, but it's a Cherokee Gray Wolf Forest River. It's a bumper pull toy hauler trailer coach camper. In fact, the camper in the back, or the garage portion, is a separate section from the rest of the camper, which is really nice. So there's a door that separates the garage from the rest of it. Not only that, but that garage can fold down. It can collapse into two beds. So on the side in the garage can fold down into two beds, or you can make it like a huge California king sleeper back there, or you can even transform that setup into a picnic table type setup and use it as an extra kitchen for eating if you got a bunch of people over. So anyhow, some other of the features. This has like almost $5,000 in extra premium features. In fact, $4,732 in premium feature upgrades. Has a 20K BTU furnace, ducted air conditioning, a full bathroom, toilet, and a shower. This has a 6-gallon gas electric water heater. This even has a solar charging package, which was a premium upgrade when they bought it new. And so it also has an XL package, which was a package that they got when they bought it new. Has power tongue jack, which was an upgrade as well. This has backup cameras, self-adjusting brakes, has wooden blinds throughout it. Really nice, kind of a contemporary floor, which I'll show you. We'll go through. It has an outside TV bracket and an inside TV bracket, so you can take your flat screen and just move it outside if you want to watch some TV outside. LED lights all around the top, all around. This is a power 15-foot awning, so you just hit the switch, the awning will come on out. It's actually really windy today, so I probably won't push it out today, but maybe I will. We'll see. Now the queen sleeper up front is about a queen size bed. That's a nice size sleeper for a man and a woman or whatever. Husband and wife, married couple. And air conditioning. Let's see, what else? Am I forgetting? Kitchen table, full kitchen sink, stove, microwave, oven, the whole bit. Full kitchen, everything. Fully laid out. So anyway, enough of this. I'm getting beat over by all these vehicles. So let me take you through a quick walkthrough. I'll take you through the whole thing. I'll put the back down and let you see inside the garage and the whole bit. It's a nice walkthrough. When you open all the doors, you can walk all the way through it. Or it's a straight line, you can kind of see all the way through, which is cool. But it's still nice, you can close off that back garage door. Anyway, come on, let's go. I just love the floor in here. In fact, I just restored an old camper myself, and I did the cheap version of this floor in my camper. I did the pill and stick vinyl. It looks similar. Not quite as nice. Full kitchen here. Real classy. It's nice you can fill this up, sink, and give you some extra counter space when you're chopping fruit on a hot sunny day. Microwave. Nice size refrigerator in here. That's real nice. It's a real nice sized bed. I think that's bigger than my bed at home. I think I have a queen at home. So maybe that's a king. I don't know, that's a nice sized bed though. Real nice, real classy. And you can pull the curtains across here if you need a little privacy when you're sleeping or darkness. And I'll take you through the door here. This takes you into the bathroom. One of my favorite things about this unit is that we got a little draft coming through here, but you can walk all the way through the camper, even with the slide out in. So I'll show you that, which is really cool. And you can close off the bathroom separate. Get a little privacy in here. Double doors. Nice size shower for this unit as well. Nice bathroom, real clean. What up? Big old fan in here. That thing is big fan. Might need it. We got the garage here. Some of these are open all the way through it, so it's nice to have a wall between the garage and the rest of the unit. This has got some compartments for storage up here, which is cool. Now these things here will lay down, and you can put these cushions on there, and you've got 2 sleepers. You got 2 twin bed sleepers back here, or you can set this up as one huge bed, be like a California King sleeper back here, or you can actually make it a table as well, and you have a nice big kind of picnic table back here if you like. Now this does have the tie downs, so you can tie a motorcycle or a golf cart or a side-by-side or any kind of unit in here. And a nice grip covering the entire gate ramp going in there. Which is nice on a rainy day, especially if you're on a motorcycle. Exit door. Just keep that locked. There actually is a TV mount here too. Just plug it in. Good to go. Turn that into my bedroom. Sleep with the motorcycles. Lots of storage in here. There's cabinets and drawers and stuff everywhere. This is real nice. When you're out there camping, you can use all the counter space you can get when it comes to cooking and cleaning, doing dishes and such. Sorry about the noise. There's some beautiful flooring in here. I've got the slide out in now. The nice thing is you can walk all the way through to the back. Nice and easy with the slide out in. sure if you can see this in the video or not, but I want to show this. He did rub on something a little bit there. Hardly noticeable. Doesn't affect the condition at all, but he did rub on some, so that is the only imperfection on the entire unit. Tires are good. All the tires are good. Recently replaced. And then this one he had a blowout. This one here is brand spanking new. But you can see the tread on the other tires is real nice. What's up, guys? It's Dave here, Relative Martian. Hold on. We gotta wait for this truck to go by here. Gray Wolf Cherokee, Forest River, bumper pool, trailer. What the hell is this thing? This baby is loaded. It has 4,700. This ain't working out as well as I hope. This has a solar charging package.